Hey guys, Chef RedBeard here with Dherbs Kitchen with another recipe for you guys. This is a fall festive fruit salad. For our fruit salad, this isn't like your typical. We are going to be making a dressing, just like you would dress your typical green salad. This is going to be a dressing for our fruit salad. Now you can use stone fruits. We have some peaches or some plums or nectarines. That will also be good, especially with this dressing. But since grapes are lingering around the grocery store and apples and pears are still there, this is a recipe that you can utilize these ingredients with. So into a large mixing bowl, let's move some of this out of my own way. I'm going to take a 1/4 teaspoon of some Vietnamese cinnamon. This is organic, but you can use whatever cinnamon. If you have the cinnamon stick and you want to freshly grate it, that will be even better and more festive. Tablespoon of water, just to kind of disperse that dry. This is a tablespoon of lemon juice. Lime juice will work equally as well. Actually, depending on what fruit you use, lemon or lime juice could be used. That is 1 tablespoon of agave. I'm just going to give this a light mix. The cinnamon is a spice that is earthy, it is smoky, it has some heat and some warmth to it. So again, our pears, our apples, these are fruits that we think of in the fall that you can have in a pie or a tartlet. So this is going to kind of create that warming sensation and mouthfeel of a decadent dessert. So into here I have 1 apple that has been diced. This is a Fiji apple. You can use a Braeburn, you can use a Granny Smith that's a little bit more tart, Macintosh, Golden Delicious, any of those varietals of apples that you choose. Just choose one that's a little more firm, not something mushy. This is a Anjou pear that has just been sliced to give a little bit of texture and crunch in the mouth. So we have diced, cubed apple, sliced pear. I have some seeded grapes that have been cut in half. This is green and red. And again, just every ingredient that we add, I just want to coat in our dressing that we made. And then lastly, some beautiful pomegranate seeds that have been already removed from the actual fruit. I'm going to reserve some just so we can garnish the salad in the end. And just like that, into our presentation bowl. Vinny, you want to take that? Yeah. And lastly, that reserved pomegranate, we can just drizzle over the top. And here you have it, a simple festive fall salad with a quick dressing. If you like this recipe and would like to see others and want to know what to do with your fruit, if you have an abundance of it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon in the corner. Follow us at www.dherbs.com/Chef RedBeard. More healthy videos, tips, tricks, how to make your food taste better. Cinnamon actually makes it taste good.